Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be focusing on two roundabouts. This is going to be an update video from one that I did on version 10.11.2 showing how 10.12.2 performs through roundabouts, and we'll run 3 times through each roundabout. The drive today we'll be using a drone to show you traffic around the vehicle. We'll also have some different camera angles to show you, so give me feedback, let me know if you think this works, and let's get on with the drive. All right, and here we go on our first run. All right, that was a good test run. We will turn around and try it again. All right, so here we go on another run through the roundabout. We're going to be making a left turn through this, so it'll go through the entry, past the first exit, and then exit on the second exit. Car is in the correct lane to proceed through the route. I don't see any traffic coming into the roundabout. We are coming to a full stop here for the yield. I would like to see it progress just a little more smoothly through the entry to the roundabout. And it makes a change and everything looks good. And here we are on our final run through the roundabout. The car is going to proceed. Yes, it does. Encouraging it with a little bit of accelerator there. There we go. So I'd have liked to see the car get into the roundabout with a little more confidence than what it did. Otherwise, once it was in the roundabout, it navigated that very well. I totally think I found a spaceship car. I don't know, what do you guys think? Here we are, coming up on roundabout number 2. This will be the first run through this roundabout. All right, one more run through this and let's see how it goes. Making a lane change into the left lane to follow our route. Nice fluid entry into the roundabout. I didn't see any hesitation, any stopping. And a nice exit. Very good job. So what I think about the drive today? Well, overall, I think it went very well. I think that the car entered the roundabout, navigated through the roundabout, and exited all very appropriately. The one criticism that I still have about full self-driving version 10.12.2 in roundabouts is that it is a little hesitant, not all the time, but sometimes at getting into the roundabout. It made a full stop at several yield signs when there was not any traffic coming in. But overall, I did feel like the test was very successful. The car does navigate well in roundabout intersections, and I look forward to seeing what future updates bring. So that's all I have for today. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one.